Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a pro account and a clear niche. Do that first. Next, gather 5 to 10 short clips in either vertical 9, 16, or horizontal 16 to 9 and trim to 15-60 seconds so viewers finish them. Once done, batch edit with consistent branding, intro frame, watermark placement, and caption template. This speeds uploads. Make sure to set captions with searchable keywords and 3-5 hashtags, because algorithmic reach depends on relevance and completion rates. You must optimize for retention and engagement. Start with a 2 to 3 second hook that promises value. Then, edit to keep visual motion every 1 to 3 seconds and add captions for accessibility and watch time boosts. Once done, layer a trending sound when it fits and pair 3 broad hashtags with 2 niche tags to reach both audiences. Make sure to post 1 to 3 times daily at peak hours. Then analyze watch completion and make variant uploads to scale winners. You can monetize through the Creator Fund, live gifts, affiliate links, and direct brand deals once you meet thresholds. Apply as soon as eligible. Then, convert consistent performers into short promos with explicit CTAs, link in bio, swipe, or purchase, because clarity drives conversions. If performance drops, troubleshoot. Change the opening hook, replace the sound, or repost a re-edited thumbnail within 48 hours to reset distribution. Make sure to track RPM and pivot content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.